kind of hungry. So let's go catch something to eat.
In today's video, we're going to be trying to catch a fish in my pond to eat for lunch. Let's go catch one.
Now for the bait, we're going to be using a really simple bait. A cricket. That's kind of it. We got the cricket. There we go. That's not a little one. That's definitely not a little one. Look here. We got the perfect size bluegill. There we go. That's the perfect size bluegill. Right there. Now we gotta go cook them. That's the easy part, I think. Now, unfortunately, I can't really show this part on camera because YouTube doesn't really, well, like it. So, I'm just gonna give a quick demonstration. You're gonna take the fish, get a cutting board. You're gonna take a knife, your favorite knife. Preferably not too big, pocket knife will do. Take your knife, you either cut him between the eyes or bonk his head to kill him. Cut his head off, scale him, gut him, rinse him off, and go throw him in the frying pan. That's pretty much it. Welcome to the kitchen. The kitchen is where we cook things that we kill and clean and eat. The most important part is eating, or is cooking. Okay. Yes, I am wearing gloves because, well, I'm going to be dealing with flour and I really don't want flour all in my fingers and have to sit there in the sink for 30 minutes trying to get it all off. But you're going to need a pan. Take some Earl. Put some in your pan. Don't need a whole lot. Just enough to cover it about halfway. Because we're going to be pan frying this thing. Okay. Now, you need this. This is the most. You could use a bowl, but this is just a whole lot less messy. Flour. This is extremely important if you want to fry fish. Keep in mind, I've never cooked a fish this way before. I don't even know if I'm doing anything right. I'm going to be completely honest. We're going to get some flour. Put it in the Ziploc. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now, we'll take your favorite seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning. Shout out to Peacher's Farm and Grill. Wild Game and Rub seasoning. In my opinion, it's the best seasoning out there. Dump some in there. What am I doing? I gotta turn this on. That's very important. If your pan ain't hot, it's kind of hard to cook something if the pan ain't hot. It's just gonna be sitting there in Earl. It's just gonna be sitting in the oil, just sitting there, I guess. Alright. Put as much seasoning as your heart desires. I like seasoning, so I put quite a lot. Now, take this fish to the bone it. Drop it in there. Seal your bag up because you don't want flour getting all over the kitchen and your mom getting mad. Or if you live by yourself, having to clean it up. Which, I guess if you live with your mom, you still have to clean it up, but You get what I'm saying. Just seal it up. Ooh! Spines hurt. Fish spines still hurt, even after the fish is dead. You know it. And you know, just for kicks and giggles, we're going to put just a little bit more of this here seasoning in this fish. You can get it thick, you can get it thin, just however much bread you want. Just sit there and shake till it gets all in them cracks and crevices. Where's that? Oh. I like to kind of dab some off, pat it in there, flip it over, pat it in there. Make sure it gets all inside the fish. Pat it in there. Gets all in them slits. Okay. Shake off the excess so you don't get your kitchen dirty once again. Take some flour, like this. Oil ain't quite hot enough. Our oil's getting there. Once your oil gets hot enough, congratulations. You're almost there. Now, you just put everything back and wait till that thing gets done. I don't know how long. You just gotta look at it and be, that looks done. There it is. Here's fish. Turn this on. Here's the fish right here. Nice and ooh, it's hot. Okay, I think it's done because these fins are just crumbling. Looks pretty good. Use fish fry, not a pan, because a lot of the bread and or flour falls off whenever you cook it. Switch from whoo, this sun. I don't know if you can see inside there. Look at that white flaky meat. Look at that white flaky meat. Look at this right here. Look at that, son. Whew. It is hot though. So grab your favorite sauce to eat with fish. A lot of people, you know, it could be ketchup, it could be mayonnaise, it could be whatever. I like tartar sauce, but I don't feel like making a bowl of tartar sauce just to eat one little bitty fish. Also, if you're saying, go buy a store-bought kind of junk. Make your own tartar sauce. Daggum, ain't that hard. It's a little mayonnaise and relish. Daggum, Lord mercy. It smells good. Holy crap. Holy crap, dude. Dude. Make sure you put your bones out. These little pin bones will get you. Good. This is 10 times better than I thought this was going to be. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I think this was a very, very good success. It tastes amazing. And if you guys would like see more catch cooked? Comment down below. We can do a squirrel, we can do a deer, we can do really anything. We can do bass. Anything y'all want us to do, we can do. And yeah. Any suggestions, comment them down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.